My name is Michaela Harris. I'm an upcoming freshman at East Carolina University, and for the Coca-Cola Collegiate Challenge, I will be doing the Floating Island Project. While in high school, I noticed a lot of students weren't recycling, and so I worked with a local high school of 600 students, and over the course of a 6-week period, collected hundreds of plastic water bottles used to create 3 successful islands. Now imagine taking that to the collegiate level of a university with over 30,000 students. Not only do I want to bring this project to my university, but other universities across the nation as well. In order to do that, I want to create training videos and starter kits for universities to access. My goal is for universities everywhere to collect and recycle plastic water bottles. And with these water bottles, create hydroponic filtration devices like these behind me for their local waterways.
This island is predominantly made of recycled materials. Under this layer of mulch, there is a thick layer of plastic bottles that act as a flotation device for the island. And it's also composed of plants on the top to act as a natural filtration. And this island will act as a habitat for many species.
Thank you for your time and consideration.